Thanks, Eric. That's indeed pretty exciting. What if we work even more closely with our partners to bring devices to market which are going to help us showcase very, very quickly the great software technology that we're working on here at Google. So we've done just that, and today we're announcing the Nexus 1. Nexus, the dictionary definition of Nexus is that it's a point of convergence, a means of connection. And Nexus 1 is where web meets phone. The Nexus 1 is an exemplar of what's possible on mobile phones through Android. And the Nexus 1 belongs in an emerging category of devices which we call superphones.
We now have 5 home screen panels that allow you to add shortcuts and widgets, and this is my Facebook app here. One of the ones I'd like to highlight, though, was built by a Google team here. It's the News and Weather widget. And if I just tap through, what it does is it brings up the latest news, and I can refresh this. It's less than an hour old. We're talking a lot about this form of the device, and it's really thin. It's 11.5 millimeters thin, which is no thicker than a number 2 pencil. Combine that with the weight of the device, which is 130 grams, which is no heavier than a Swiss Army keychain knife. If I tap here, I now get a zoomed-in view of all my applications, and they're sitting on this kind of scroll wheel. If you look at the top of that list, you can see the icons and the text sort of scrolling off into the distance. And so if I tap on one of these albums, let's go into Thanksgiving here, and I pan back and forth, as you can see, the photos load very quickly.
We were actually